Okay, Miss Butt, let's try it this way so that if you still don't understand what I'm talking about after viewing the video, then we can talk about maybe Skyping together or looking at each other face to face, whatever is convenient for you. All right, now take a look. When you're talking about your introduction, you had a good concept. However, the beginning sentence was awkwardly written. In this generation, technology has been on fast growth. I don't know what that means. You have to be very clear to your reader. Technology has been so addicting that nowadays people feel like it has become more of a need than a want, what it actually is. And that's an interesting point, but you need to write it a little bit better. It has been on fast growth. You've already said that. Your writing is you're tending towards redundancy, saying the same thing over again. You could see it being used everywhere. A major part would be in terms of education, and this part was really good. All right. Now, the rest of this. There is memory in all technical devices, no matter what. Memory is measured in terms. First of all, tell me what memory is. You can tell me how it's in all technical devices, but you don't tell me what it is. You tell me how it's measured, but you don't tell me what memory is in terms of computers. Then you talk about two groups within the chips that carry such information of memory and storage. The two groups are and all of this other stuff. In the meantime, Miss but where did you get your information? Where is the references? Where is the citation? If you quoted within, let's say you quoted here, these two sentences or the entire paragraph, nobody's complaining about that. If you're quoting directly, you have to use quotation marks and you have to cite the source. I gave you the link in the assignment. The link is the MLA link. I also gave it in the second writing assignment. Use that correct formatting for the citation within the body of your essay. All right, so it's very important. If you quote or paraphrase, even if you paraphrase, meaning using their words but in your own using their terms but in your own words, you still have to cite the source because that is not an original thought. This last sentence should have been your conclusion. Many students are expected to do all the work upon the computer, whether it is online or just by a simple app. There is no conclusion here. What is the conclusion has to measure or has to indicate what you said, the points that you made in your introduction. You have to show the connection. Otherwise, you're just typing a conclusion, which is really just a bunch of words, which is not a conclusion. All right? Do you understand the point that I'm making? All right, if you don't, okay, then you can Skype me, and I'm going to put this over here. Yeah, I'll put this right here. If you still have questions, please email me so that we can Skype or meet or use Blackboard Collaborate. You have until 11 p.m. Monday, March 20th to revise and resubmit. All right, Miss Butt, does that help you a little bit? So let's see if this works for you. All right, thank you.